Hello, viewers. This is Happy Mass. Very beautiful day today. Now we have another question on the board for WASC 2009. Question 1A, under multiplication of sort. I will try and do a detailed video. If you check very well, in my previous videos, I've done addition and subtraction of sort, but I will do a detailed work on that. But let's solve this question. Now, we are given question 1A, given that bracket root 1A, 3 minus 5 times root 2, bracket close, bracket open, root 3 plus root 2 equal to A plus B root 6. By implication, after we have finished solving, we should compare the left-hand side to this and get our values for A and B. Now, let's solve. Now, before we proceed from here, note that under multiplication of sort, if you have A, root A times root B, will give you the root of AB, meaning that the root you take it, then you multiply A and B. Note also that root 3 times root 3. If you compare this and this, it means that you take the root, then the two numbers, which is root 9, you multiply the 3 to get 3. Don't forget that. Now let's apply this. This is under multiplication of sort. In the first place, what do? We want to use it, root 3, to multiply the first bracket. Square root of 3 times everything in the second bracket. Square root of 3 plus the square root of 2. Then let's take minus 5 root 2 times the second bracket. That will give us root 3 plus the square root of 2. And now, let's solve further. Note that root 3 times root 3 will give us 9. So, will give us 3. So, root 3 times root 3 will give us 9. Then the square root of 9 will give us 3. Or better still, let me go bit by bit. Then 3 times 3 we get 9. Plus the square root of 3 times square root of 2. What do? You multiply the both number to get 6. You are done with that. Then minus 5 root. Okay, beg your pardon. Now take your negative 5, bring it out. Then root 3 times root 2 will give us root 6. Negative times positive, you get it as negative. Then 5. The two roots also multiply them to get sort 4. Now let's solve further. Now the square root of 9 will give us 3 plus, note, there is invisible one here. So 1 minus 5 will give us negative 4 root 6. Then you have this as negative. Then if you check now, this will give us minus 5 times root of 2. The square root of 4 will give us 2. So let's simplify this. 3 minus 4 root 6 minus, now 5 times 2 will give us 10. What do? Don't forget these two numbers. You have it as 3 minus 10 minus 4 root 6. I rearrange it. 10 minus 3 will give us, 3 minus 10 will give us minus 7 minus 4 root 6. Now let's come here. Let's compare. Comparing with A plus B root 6. It's easy to see. Note that A be minus 7 and B be minus 4. Consider the common